Oh, hey, Juicy.
Happy ride day.
Happy ride day. Woo woo.
It's a little foggy out this morning.
Yeah, we're starting 2026 out with a bang.
That's right. First ride of the year.
First ride of the year, buddy.
That's right.
Woo woo.
Ready to do this?
It's January 3rd, 2026.
Yep.
It's crazy.
It's a little chilly this morning. It was supposed to be warmer today, and they kind of took that out of the forecast, unfortunately, but that's all right.
Yeah, it's a little.
We're dressed for it. We'll make it.
We've got a little foggy situation.
Yeah, it might take us a little longer to get down the mountain.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, though.
Good thing we got those epic rigid fog lights.
Yeah, no kidding. They'll help for sure.
Yeah, for sure. I hope you don't get lost going down the mountain.
Yeah, right. I've never been down there before.
Oh, what are we doing today, Juicy?
We're heading down to Combs, meet up with another couple that's going to go with us. We're going to basically head up towards Mill Creek, do a little blue loop, jump up to the pipeline. From the pipeline, we're going to go over to Fly Gap and then on across the highway 23 to the other East Fly Gap, and then head down to 60-foot Falls.
All right, cool. You think the falls will be going today?
I don't know. We haven't had much rain. So
we haven't had very much rain this season.
Not, but that's okay. It's a good run.
It should be more rainier.
You'd think.
We're actually under a burn ban right now, which is kind of crazy.
We had a little bit of rain yesterday, but
not enough to matter.
Not enough to matter. I don't know if it knocked the dust down.
So I think we're going to try and go over to the Mountain Fork Creek Falls too, which we have not done in the four-seater yet.
Yep.
So we'll see how that goes. See if there's any trees down.
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't been down there for a minute.
Long time.
Yeah, so this will be a fun ride.
Oh yeah.
We will be tracking this ride for y'all on the Onyx. So if you're interested in that, how do they find that, Juicy?
Go to our Patreon and join, and you can get all our tracks that we do that go along with our videos.
Yeah, Juicy's real good about marking all the POIs.
Yeah.
So if you want to just ride and not have to worry about
where to go,
watching the map, you can follow the track that we made for you.
Yep.
If not, if you just want to help and support our channel, you can become a member on YouTube. You get videos a couple days earlier than everyone else.
Yep.
Yeah, so I think that's it. Share. That's it. Make sure if you like this video to give it a share.
Thumbs up.
Hype it.
Tell all your friends.
Tell your kinfolk.
Tell everyone.
Yeah, tell them all. Yeah, tell him Juicy's a good time.
I am a good time.
You never know what he's going to do. At least he's wearing pants today.
Yes.
And socks.
No shorts.
All right, Juicy, what do you say?
Let's do this.
Here we go. Later. Stay tuned, man. It's going to be epic. See if we can make it off this mountain. We made it down to Combs and it's cleared up down here. Heck yeah. So it looks like it was just foggy up on our mountain. Just got the Polaris and the Kawasaki today. Little group here on a brisk winter morning in Arkansas. Stay tuned, should be an epic ride. Alright, got some energy, here we go.
Let's go.
You start the track?
I did.
Let the adventure begin.
Try.
First adventure of 2026. Here we go. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of trails.
Sounds like a good time to me.
Yep, it'll be fun. Alright, we're dropping in on the trail here. Ooh, we got a little water. You could walk behind this waterfall. So pretty. And we're dry season and it's going this good. It's definitely spring tide.
Rock. Grew into the tree.
It sure did.
Yeah, I'd like to see this like after a good rain. Yeah.
Is this the Fountain of Youth?
Right?
I'm jumping in.
Lord, I need to bathe.
There's the old well. Alright, so we're just popping here through the blue to do a shortcut up to Flag Gap. Right? Goes to Flag Gap.
Bring a tent sometime and camp underneath that waterfall.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, that would be fun.
This might be a little juicy. spicy. Is this the spicy spot you were talking about?
Yes.
A little rocky. And some logs make it even better. Like that log. Someone needs to cut that out of the way. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa, so that's around this spot.
The next one's spicier, I think.
Mile 14. Ooh, I hope they made it. Alrighty, here we go. Nothing like getting the heart pumping.
Yeah, 9:30 in the morning.
Yeah. Buggy just crawled right up it. I don't even think it's three-wheel, do you?
I don't think it did. We skidded a little bit on a couple rocks,
it did,
kicking me over. But...
yeah. That longer wheelbase.
Yeah. Tend to rub things just a little bit.
Just crawl right up it like a short bus.
There's another spot right up here. It's pretty good.
Okay. There's another spot up here, right, where the big rock is? But
yeah,
you can go around it now.
Just hop over it. Hop off the side there.
So around mile 14 in Mill Creek, it's a little spicy if you're not used to rocks and such. Rocks and hills.
Rocks and hills.
Let me take mine. I made it. You got this.
I guess they ain't never been up this way.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, you like it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. is where people pull over and relieve themselves after they come up that hill. You can see the tracks. You're like, oh crap, I gotta go bathroom.
This is our first time. This is great.
It's fun.
It is fun.
Good legal fun.
Yeah.
Here's the other little spicy spot, but I know they have one going around and one going. I wonder what the round one's like.
I've never been down that way because the track's never very worn. So
this one we just drag a little bit because it's a little.
we've taken a lot of people on this with that big rock, and they were having a heck of a time.
Oh yeah, we almost laid over on there a few times.
Yeah.
Even in the Cowie on 35s, we almost laid over.
Yeah, if you hit it just wrong, it throws your front end up really high.
Yeah. Getting foggy again. Show you what your machine's made of.
Yes.
They really just crawl over everything.
They do. You do gotta, pick your line. Good.
Pick your line. Being low. Four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive.
Low and go.
I will say sometimes you're better off just going over something and try to go around it.
Yeah, because sometimes
going around can get you in a pinch spot.
Yeah.
Even though the going over might look big and like overwhelming.
Yeah, this looks a little cambery. Yeah. 1 mile up the mountain. Getting foggy up here as we get higher.
I know, it's pretty sweet.
Pretty sweet. Scooby-Doo stuff.
Right. That's about how foggy it was at our house. So
yeah.
It must be a pretty good elevation.
Yep. Trail system. Alright, we're back on the pipeline. Juicy, what'd you think about Mill Creek?
Love that little section through there. It's
did about a mile,
one of my favorites.
Mile and a half
yeah,
in there,
probably.
not too much. Just a little cut through for us.
Yeah, I mean, there's some good little spicy spots, but it's one of my favorites through there.
Yeah. And This sucker just barrels right through it like it's on its way to get groceries at Walmart.
I didn't even have to get on it at all.
No. It didn't even spin, nothing.
Well, nope.
Nope.
Great.
Yeah, it does
Now
great.
these tires.
Good tires, yeah. Because I was watching, we went over some really pokey rocks.
Yeah, we sure did, didn't we? Is that our go around?
Maybe.
Yep.
Yeah. So there's a big old mud hole on the pipeline. We just go around this little trail here.
Pretty sure this is it? No, this ain't it.
Uh-oh. Okay, scratch that.
Oops.
I don't know where we're at. Never been on this trail before.
We're about to go see where it goes. I'm turning around here.
The fog makes it spicy because, yeah. It shows we're still on the road. Maybe it'll just pop right back out. Maybe there used to be a tree down or something. Right there. Or this is where you go in. Maybe.
Well,
okay. A little dramatic. Oh yeah, so I bet that trail we were just on is the bypass of this pipeline. Which I bet eventually they'll end up shutting this down and using that.
yeah, since the pipe's really showing now.
Yeah. Yeah, I bet it comes out.
Yeah, I didn't even think about that.
We lost our bearings here in the fog.
I did a little bit. I know there's a cut through up here somewhere. Yep, I probably could have stayed on it.
Yep.
Barring there's no trees down back there.
Juicy's gonna mark this for you on the Onyx because this is a bypass for the big mud hole. You could continue on the pipeline, but it's a big sucky mud hole. Like always a little If you like mud, just keep going straight on the pipeline. Right, Juicy?
That's right. At your own risk, of course.
Yeah. Good luck with that. If you like a mud bath, there you go.
I bet everybody's been going around it, so it's probably really softened up now.
Oh man. One time we were just cruising along and the Can-Am didn't really even think about it. And we like ended up sideways like a big mud tidal wave.
Yeah, I started going into it and it was like, oh,
we were cruising. We were in turbo mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
I ended up having to really wail on it.
Oh my gosh.
Barely
and I was covered in mud. Like a mud tidal wave. It was insane. Pass. It's too cold for that today.
Yeah, we got really covered, didn't we?
Oh my gosh, it was insane.
Yeah, I remember that back end just started sinking. And
We
like,
made it.
We were like looking up in the air, like, oh my god.
So, right there, that's the mud hole right there.
People have been going through it.
Oh yeah, they sure have. You can go around on that side too, but stick to the trees.
Yeah, stick to the trees.
Alright, we're almost to West Fly Gap. West Fly Gap on down to the highway and cross over to East Fly Gap.
Yep.
And then we'll head on up and down to 60-foot Falls.
Easy.
Yep. It might be a little foggy on the county road today.
Very.
Watch out for Bigfoot crossing.
Yeah. And deer.
And humans.
And humans.
Humans. Pro tip, when you get on the county road, turn off your whip lights. I don't care what color they are, just turn them off.
Just turn it off. Blue and red are illegal, and flashing is illegal.
Yeah. they'll get you
We
pulled
had
over.
our lights on in the same kind of fog and gotten pulled over on this road.
Yep.
So just turn them off.
Yeah, you don't want to pay that fine. That's no fun. Just caution tape.
Yeah.
Alright. Here's the county road. It's got some views, but I don't think we're going to see any views today. No. Alright, just a tiny bit of highway here, and we're going to get on East Flag Gap. Dang. Here's that baby cow. Look at them views, Juicy.
What views? I haven't seen no views.
Oh man.
All I see is creepiness.
Yeah. You never know what's lurking out here. Could be a bear looking for lunch. We are right by Mulberry Mountain.
Yeah, I'm thinking all them bears are denned up. Denned up for the year.
Well, we're almost to the Hanging Rock, but
I ain't got a view today, so I ain't climbing up there.
yeah, there's no reason to climb up the Hanging Rock because it's too froggy. Dun dun dun. There it is. No view today. Alright, we're on the trail to 60 foot. Hanging Rock Holler.
Hanging Rock Holler. It's as clear as can be. There ain't no fog
It
here.
is clear here. That's crazy. There's some nasty little mud to meander through, but otherwise this trail is not spicy anymore. It's granny ready.
They took the fun right out of it.
Yeah, we'll see what it's like. It's been a couple months since we've done it. Yeah, it's cleared up over here. Nice. Think there'll be some water in the 60 foot?
I think it'll be trickling. I don't think it'll be going.
Be fun to go through the creeks down there though.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I think they'll have a little water in them.
Looks like it's clearing up.
Yeah.
Darn it, there went the Scooby-Doo stuff.
It's gonna burn off a little faster than I thought it would.
Yep. Alright, here's the muddy section. You gonna take the bypass?
Yeah. I ain't even gonna play around with that stuff.
It's pretty sloppy here. There's a little off camber to go around too. It's getting wallered out too. Those holes are icky. You can tell we're dry because they're not as sloppy as they were in the spring. Still wouldn't go through there though, even though it's dry. Those are nasty. Nasty little holes.
Ooh, look how much they wallered that out.
Yeah. Probably the big rigs.
Yeah, I mean, that's like a straight drop now.
Hard pass, hard pass.
Hard pass.
Some of these holes are nasty too.
Yeah, we've seen some people try it.
Don't do that one. Or that one.
Very middle one, no.
Either one. Go on the edge. Stay to the edge. It's a safe spot.
Let's try it. 'Cause, 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 'cause
that's about the spiciest part of this trail. Otherwise,
Yeah.
other than where the trees are down and you got to go around them.
Yeah. The only other spot that's spicy is when you get past 60-foot falls.
Well, yeah, when you go to Mountain Fork Creek Falls, there's couple little spots there.
Yeah, they're pretty off camber.
Off camber, and you're on the side of the mountain. No big deal.
No big deal.
It's weird that they fixed this and not that.
Yeah, I know.
So in 2025, this was dozed, this whole trail. It used to be way spicier.
Yeah, what was that done early spring of 2025?
Yeah. Everyone in the off-road community, that's anyone around here, was shocked.
Oh, yeah. And all said the same thing.
They're like, why?
They took the fun right out of it.
Why?
Like this section here used to be really
Yeah, it used to be spicy. I'm sure it'll get back spicy, but
It will. It will.
like this has gotten a little ledgy.
Yep.
This is kind of coming back. It'll get back. Still, it's a fun trail.
Down here, there's a couple that had a baby that was 9 days old.
Oh, wow.
On a ride.
Talk about starting them out young.
Nice.
We were down here and there was a four-wheeler that went by and it was hauling a trailer and had all the kids and the wife in the trailer
Wow.
On a bench seat.
on a bench seat.
That was crazy. It's getting spicier. Just take some time. The more people that run it, the spicier it gets. Heading down the mountain, descending down Hanging Rock Hollow. Da-da-da. This trail's getting fun again.
It is.
Woo. That one time when we came up it in like 30 minutes, I was like, what?
No, that was a first.
That was crazy.
Like, huh?
I'm about to start crying. Whoa, watch out, buddy.
I don't think I've been to Rock Falls.
I don't think so.
Oh, I did that one. That one.
Look at this beautiful creek spot. Oh my gosh. My battery's yellow again.
Yep.
Here's the Y where you can go to the 60 foot or go back up. Alright, I had to take off some layers. I was getting hot. Now I'm cold.
I'll be next.
Whew, this is warm.
Well, we wore our Under Armour, so
Yeah,
it keeps it cozy.
yeah,
One, you get too cozy.
yeah, definitely too cozy. Alright, we're getting closer to 60 foot here.
We recross crossings and a couple mud hole areas to get around, but other than that.
Yeah. Really nice down here today. Very nice. Saw a few buggies, like 3. That's it. We have the whole forest to ourselves.
Did it?
Besides the squirrels.
Yeah.
Why is there a bypass? Must be wallered out.
That way in better over there?
Nah, not really. Another beautiful creek crossing here. Cue the mud holes.
Not quite, we're getting there.
Ooh, that's gotten nasty. You want baby tires on that hole.
Yeah, if you do, you're gonna work at it.
Let's not do it then. Team go around.
Ooh, it does look different.
Yeah. Ooh, it's a little tight.
Probably just fine.
I'm sure it is. It just looks intimidating. People go through that too, and this is way better.
Yeah, that mud side is bad.
Yeah, and it looks fresh. Fresh tracks in it. Looks tight though. That's a real off-camber spot. Looks like someone cleared the tree to get through here. Whoosh. Wow, nice.
Wow, someone probably cleared it over.
That's awesome. That is really sketchy right there.
I'm gonna triple balls or twin.
Well, DC, what do you think of 6 Foot Falls?
Pretty cool.
Yeah,
Actually was going fairly decent.
going really well.
I got crazy and I hiked all the way to the top.
Yeah,
That was brutal. A little overdressed for that.
I don't think that one's really going.
I don't
That's
think
the
it is
Spirit Mountain. We're gonna go to the Mountain Fork Creek Waterfall and have lunch there. It's getting busy down here.
It is.
Hopefully we don't meet anyone on this trail.
I would say this is probably one of the more popular trails in the area.
Yeah,
Most commonly known and ran.
yes.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Got a Kawasaki KRX 4 Blackout Edition. Got it over in Oklahoma last weekend.